All right, we need to do the second side here. So number 7, we are going to solve by completing the square. So the first thing we do, sorry, that's blurry for some reason. There we go. All right, A is 1, and my C is on the right side, so I'm ready to go. Make my map. Plus square, and make your binomial there at the bottom. All right, so I've got x squared plus 6x, plus that would be my open square, I make my binomial squared. Okay, now, x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Square it, add 9 to both sides. 7 plus 9 is 16. Now take the square root of both sides. Remember that plus or minus there, that positive or negative root. X plus 3 equals positive or negative 4. Subtract 3 from both sides. X equals negative 3 plus or minus 4. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Number 8. A equals 1. C is on the right side, so I'm ready to go. X squared minus 10x plus open square equals 24 plus open square. And I got my binomial squared down there. So here I go. X minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. Squared is 25. Add it to both sides. The left side's done. 24 plus 25 is 49. Now square root both sides. Got to get rid of this guy. So I also need this plus or minus to get the positive or negative root of 49. So x minus 5 equals positive or negative 7. Subtract 5, or add 5 to both sides. Sorry guys, my voice is getting raspy here. Add 5 to both sides, and x equals 5 plus or minus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Okay, that's number 8. All right, next one. Number 9, it tells me to complete the square. I cannot complete the square until A is 1. So I have to divide everything by what A is. In this case, A is 3. When I divide everything by 3, I get x squared minus 2x equals, there was 15 on this side. So, open box, binomial. I got x minus 2 divided by 2 is 1, squared, added 1 to both sides. Got x minus 1 squared equals 16, took the square root of both sides. X minus 1 equals positive or negative 4. X equals 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Okay, that's those 3 right there. All right, 10, 11, and 12. Take a look. Do the discriminant first. B squared minus 4AC is 64 minus 28, which is 36. That's a positive discriminant. So I have 2 solutions. I write 2 right there. Then I finish the formula. Opposite of B. B was negative 8, so it's positive 8 plus or minus that discriminant, radical 36, all over 2 times A. A was 1, so it's just 2. 8 plus 6 divided by 2 is 7. 8 minus 6 divided by 2 is 1. All right, number 11. I don't make A1 here. I just use it as it is. But what I do need to do is move this over. Okay, I can't call that C until it's on this side equal to 0. So my C is actually positive 2 for this guy. Okay, he's got to move over here to be called C. So B squared, 4 squared, minus 4 times A is 2 times C is positive 2. 16 minus 16 is 0, so that means I have 1 solution, write 1 there. Finish my formula, opposite of B, plus or minus that discriminant was 0 over 4. Well, plus or minus 0 is 0. So negative 4 over 4 is negative 1. There's my answer, my 1 solution. All right, last one, number 12. Opposite of B, nope. We got A, we got B, we got C. What do we start with? Use the discriminant. Okay, so please don't jump to the whole formula. What we need right now is just B squared, which is negative 4 squared, minus 4 times A is negative 3, times C is negative 8. So negative 4 squared is 16. Negative 4 times negative 3 times negative 8 is minus 96 or plus negative 96. We get a negative 80. That is a negative discriminant, which means there are 0 solutions. So I put a 0 here on the number of solutions line. Then my solution itself is no solution. I don't have to go any further. I don't have to plug into the formula. I know there's no solution because that discriminant is negative. All right, guys, here's a look at just this back page. See you tomorrow for the test.